Welcome, travelers! Whether you're a seasoned explorer or planning your very first adventure, you're in the right place. I'm Samantha from Travel Partner, and today, I'll show you how to experience the magic of Nice without breaking the bank. Get ready to discover how you can soak up the Riviera's beauty, culture, and sunshine, all while sticking to a budget. The French Riviera isn't just for the rich and famous. It's a destination that welcomes everyone, no matter your budget or travel style. With the right plan, anyone can enjoy its sparkling waters, sunny skies, and charming streets. You don't need a luxury yacht to feel like you belong here. This guide is about traveling smarter, finding local gems, and making every euro count. We'll uncover affordable experiences that most tourists miss. Over 3 days, we'll stroll through colorful markets, relax on iconic pebble beaches, and get lost in the winding alleys of the old town, all on a budget that works for you. I'll share tips for affordable eats, budget stays, and using public transport like a local. You'll learn how to stretch your money further without missing out on the best experiences. Travel should be accessible to everyone, and I'm here to prove it. No matter who you are or how you like to travel, Nice has something for you. Subscribe to Travel Partner for more guides like this. Don't miss out on future adventures, tips, and inspiration for your next trip. Ready to plan your unforgettable, budget-friendly trip to Nice? Grab your notebook and let's get started. Let's dive in. The sun and sea of France are calling, and your Riviera adventure awaits. Here's our challenge. 3 days in Nice on just 240 euros, 80 euros per day. That covers accommodation, meals, transport, and activities. We'll stay in hostels for around 30-35 euros a night, leaving 45-50 euros daily for everything else. For food, we'll mix street eats, market finds, and bakery treats, about 20-25 euros a day. The rest goes to transport and activities. The secret? Embrace free attractions, beaches, Old Town, and parks. Walk as much as possible, and use the affordable tram and bus system for longer trips. Eat where locals eat, and soak up the city's atmosphere. This isn't about missing out. It's about experiencing Nice authentically. With smart choices, you'll discover the best of the Riviera on a backpacker's budget. Let's turn this challenge into your most rewarding adventure yet. Day 1 in Nice. Let's get started. As you step off the plane or train, you'll immediately feel the Mediterranean breeze and see the city's famous light. Nice welcomes you with open arms, promising adventure and discovery at every turn. Skip the taxis. Take tramline 2 from the airport to the city center for just 170. It's fast, clean, and gives you a first glimpse of local life as you glide past palm trees and bustling neighborhoods. Drop your bags at the hostel and head straight to View Nice, the Old Town. Don't worry about unpacking. There's too much to see and do. Wander the narrow streets, admire pastel buildings, and soak up the lively squares, free and unforgettable. Every corner reveals a new surprise, from hidden courtyards to vibrant street art. Discover the Cathédrale Saint-Réparat and browse artisan shops for local treats. Pick up handmade soaps, olive oils, or a sweet souvenir to remember your trip. Let curiosity guide you through this historic maze. Lose yourself in the labyrinth of alleys, where every twist leads to something new, maybe a tiny cafe or a centuries-old fountain. For dinner, grab Socca, a crispy chickpea pancake for just a few euros, and pair it with pissaladière, the local onion tart. These street foods are beloved by locals and perfect for travelers on a budget. Find a bench, enjoy your meal, and watch the world go by. The squares fill with laughter and music as the sun sets, making it the perfect spot to relax. This is the real taste of Nice. Delicious, authentic, and budget-friendly. Every bite connects you to the city's rich culinary traditions. Capture the colors and energy with your camera or phone. The golden hour light makes every photo pop, so don't be shy. Snap away. Your first day is all about exploring, eating well, and feeling the city's heartbeat. Let yourself be swept up in the rhythm of Nice, where every moment feels special. No expensive tours needed, just your sense of adventure. Welcome to Nice, where unforgettable memories begin the moment you arrive. After dinner, it's time for Nice's best free show, Sunset from Castle Hill. Climb the stairs from Quai des États-Unis. Each viewpoint is better than the last. At the top, panoramic views stretch from the Baie des Anges to Port Olympia. Watch the sky turn orange and pink as the sun dips behind the Mediterranean. Explore the park's ruins and waterfall, soaking in the city's history. As night falls, stroll the Promenade des Anglais, grand hotels lit up, sea breeze in your hair. Treat yourself to a scoop of gelato from Finocchio in Vieux-Nice. This perfect evening costs almost nothing, but the memories are priceless. Head back to your hostel, ready for another day of adventure. That's day 1. Sunsets, sights, and savings. Day 2 starts at Corsalea Market. Flowers, fresh produce, and local cheeses await. Build a picnic baguette, chèvre, tomatoes, and peaches for just a few euros. Enjoy your feast on the Pebble Beach, waves as your soundtrack. Relax, people watch, maybe take a dip. This is Riviera living at its best. After lunch, dive into culture. Many city museums offer free entry. Visit Musée Masséna for local history or Palais Lascaris for a glimpse of aristocratic life. These free attractions let you experience Nice's art and heritage without spending a cent. The city's beauty is everywhere. Just step outside and explore. With a little planning, your day is full of flavor, culture, and sunshine. That's how you do Nice on a budget. Ready for more? Ready for... The afternoon is for art lovers. Head to Mamac for modern masterpieces and rooftop city views, often free. Even if you skip the galleries, the terraces offer stunning panoramas. Next, stroll east to Port Olympia. Less touristy, more local, with colorful Italianate buildings and bustling harbor life. Find a bench, watch the boats, and soak up the maritime vibe. For dinner, enjoy affordable Italian fare near the port. Pizza or pasta for 10–12 euros. Nice's blend of French and Italian cultures shines in every bite. This meal is hearty, delicious, and easy on your wallet. After a day of art and exploration, you'll feel the city's creative spirit. Savor the flavors, enjoy the views, and get ready for your final day. Nice is full of surprises, especially for budget travelers. Let's keep going. Day 3 begins in Simiez, a peaceful hilltop neighborhood. Take the local bus with your transport card, quick and cheap. Visit the Monastère de Simiez and its gardens. Free entry, stunning views. Wander the Roman amphitheater ruins and olive groves nearby. Art lovers can check out Musée Matisse, sometimes free with a city pass. For lunch, grab a classic jambon beurre sandwich from a boulangerie. Find a blue chair along the coast and watch the world go by. This simple meal, with a Riviera view, is pure French bliss. Simiez offers history, beauty, and tranquility, all for next to nothing. Your final day is about savoring the city's quieter side. Ready for a memorable farewell? Spend your last afternoon walking west along the Promenade des Anglais, where the city's energy softens and the Mediterranean breeze feels like a gentle farewell. As the sun dips lower, the promenade glows with a quieter, golden-lit magic, perfect for reflection and soaking in the final moments of your trip. Pause here, letting the salty air and rhythmic waves help you remember your favorite moments, each one a memory to take home. Think back to wandering Old Town's winding streets, climbing Castle Hill for sweeping views, sharing market picnics, and exploring ancient Roman ruins, all on a shoestring budget. Find a quiet spot on the pebbled beach for one last sunset, letting the colors of the sky and sea blend into a perfect memory. Watch as gentle waves catch the last light, the colors etching Nice into your memory. For your final dinner, head to the Liberation neighborhood, affordable, authentic, and buzzing with local life, where every corner offers something new to discover. Here, you'll find restaurants full of local flavor, where the atmosphere is as inviting as the food. Enjoy a steaming plate of couscous, a fragrant bowl of pho, or another global dish for a celebratory meal under budget, surrounded by fellow travelers and locals alike. This is the real Nice, diverse, vibrant, and welcoming, where cultures blend and every meal feels like a celebration. Your 3 days have been packed with adventure, discovery, and moments that will stay with you long after you leave. You've tasted new flavors, explored hidden corners, and enjoyed great food without overspending or missing out. As night falls, take in the sparkling city lights and savor your accomplishment, traveling smart and making every moment count. You've experienced the Riviera like a true traveler, embracing both its beauty and its authenticity. This is what smart, authentic travel looks like: memorable, meaningful, and uniquely yours. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Nice. Until next time, bon voyage and happy travels. Our 3-day, €240 adventure in Nice is complete. We proved the Riviera is accessible to everyone with a little planning and an open mind. Hostels, market picnics, street food, and free attractions made it possible. Walking and public transport let us see the city deeply and affordably. This isn't about sacrifice. It's about richer, more authentic experiences. I hope you're inspired to plan your own budget trip to Nice, make it your own, get lost, try new foods, connect with locals. Subscribe to Travel Partner for more adventures and tips. Until next time, happy travels and see you on the road.